Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done few properties of rational numbers, and today we will discuss some more properties of rational numbers. First, the role of zero. Zero is called the additive identity in case of rational numbers. Zero को किसी भी नंबर में अगर ऐड करते हैं वही सेम नंबर मिलता है, इसलिए जीरो को हम एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी कहते हैं. So if c is any rational number, you can write c plus 0 is same as 0 plus c equal c. Now, role of 1. 1 is called the multiplicative identity in integers, whole numbers and rational numbers, or the system of numbers, because when you multiply any number, any rational number with 1, you get the same rational number. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Now, negative of a number. Negative of any rational number is that number which when added to it will give you the additive identity. So negative of 2 is minus 2 and negative of minus 2 is 2. So if a by b is a rational number, then its negative is minus a by b. It is also called the additive inverse of a by b. 2 by 3, if you have a rational number 2 by 3, its additive inverse is minus 2 by 3, and you can say vice versa also. Then reciprocal of a number. Reciprocal of a number is that number which when multiplied with it gives you the multiplicative identity. तो 8 by 21 है तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा 21 by 8, क्योंकि दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके 1 मिलता है. इसी तरह से -5 by 7 है तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 7 by -5, and when you multiply it both you will get 1. So reciprocal of a number is also called the multiplicative inverse. So if a by b is a rational number, then its multiplicative inverse is that number c by d, which when multiplied with it will give you 1. And the last one is distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. If you have three rational numbers, minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6, let us do this simplification. And in this simplification, first of all, you have to simplify the bracket. When you simplify the bracket, the LCM is 6 and the numerator becomes 4 plus minus 5, that is minus 1 by 6 is the result of the expression within the bracket, and when you multiply the two you will get 3 by 24, that is 1 by 8. Now let us perform another operation calculation, that is in which we will multiply minus 3 by 4 with 2 by 3 and then minus 3 by 4 with minus 5 by 6 and add the 2. So minus 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 3 is multiply the numerators and denominator together, you will get minus 6 by 12. After simplification you get minus 1 by 2. When you multiply minus 3 by 4 with minus 5 by 6, it becomes 5 by 8. Now if we add these two, that is minus half and 5 by 8, we get 8 LCM. Then in the numerator minus 4 plus 5, that is 1 by 8. And we observe from here that this expression is equal to this expression. So this is called the distributivity of multiplication over addition. तो अगर आपके पास तीन रेशनल नंबर्स हैं a, b, c and you are doing a multiplied by b plus c, you can solve it by doing a into b plus a into c. इसी तरह से अगर ये a into b minus c होगा तो a into b minus A multiplied by C. That's all for today. Thank you.